Cuts and Curves, Subway y Botica na Medic te presenta. Salud 5, Distancia.
Sound healing está una terapia no mucho común aquí na Aruba. Tiene un experto de Estados Unidos riba nos isla actualmente que está dedicado netamente a aqui. Com vibração e frequência de sonido, esta logra ayudar vários de sus clientes. Esta zona estranha, não? Well, nossa laga MS explica mais. Estaryia está conta-nos com turcos a iniciar.
Well, it actually all happened because when I was in my early 20s, I had a very profound spiritual awakening. I was living outside of New York City, and of course, New York City can be, the normal stressful lifestyles. And this particular day I was running, and I experienced myself merging and connecting with nature. And it was a very profound spiritual awakening for me. And at that point, I knew that my calling was to help other people come into this state of calm and balance and reconnection with the natural vibrations.
Now, everybody knows to have a healthy lifestyle, you have to eat well and do a lot of exercise, but people overlook the importance of having a moment to calm down and have everything back in balance. How important is this?
Well, it's very important because our brain waves actually affect our whole bodies. So when we actually balance our brain waves and synchronize them into a state of calm, into a state of balance, the entire body comes into balance. And so the stress hormone, cortisol, is released from the system, and we can actually de-stress in a matter of moments. And that's really the healing power of sound. That's one of the amazing healing powers of sound.
Pero kung e sonido y frecuencia nan tatraha riba bo físico.
Well, it's definitely retuning and recalibrating the vibrational body, because science has now actually confirmed that we are just vibrating particles. And so the sound frequencies recalibrate our vibrating particles and bring them into harmony and balance. So it is affecting the physical body as well as the mental body, the emotions, and the spiritual body all simultaneously. And so it brings all of those four into a coherent wave so that we're actually connected. So our brain waves are actually connected in our heart. And we have this overall harmony and balance, and then we can actually tune into this deeper aspect of ourselves. We get the inspirations, we get the creative ideas, the ahas, and we feel more directed and guided in our lives. Not to mention calm and able to have more mental clarity and focus at our jobs.
E frecuencia nanta disponible riba su página web y fácilmente abotambe por ting acceso nesa kinang. After the break, nos tabay ting tasa ku Estaryia para na demonstra que ko abo por hasi or bota ding oficina e de um momento que boting stress que ko fácilmente bo por hasi de um espaço chiquito ku sound frequencies ng di Estaryia.